Hey everybody, how's it going? So I noticed that in the area that I was looking, property taxes seem to be a little insane. So I was looking at areas that were still in New York City, but in the quieter, less crazy areas of the city. And one of them is around the Flushing Queens, Fresh Meadows area. So I was looking and I saw, oh, this is out of budget, but I'll stay on the page just to take a look at what this place looks like. It can't. I know it's expensive, but it can't be that awful, being that it's $828,000. So let's just take a look at what you get for $828,000 in New York City. Are you ready, folks? Are you ready? One, two. Okay, the backyard over here is actually pretty nice. I like the walkway to the backyard. You got this weird looking gate over here that's old, but you can always fix that. You got the trees, nice little landscape. The front is a little creepy. That door could use some work. I'd like a nicer door for $828,000, but fine. Backyard could definitely use some plants, some grass, a lawn. Yeah, let's see what the inside looks like after this. Yeah, definitely could use a lawn. Okay, this is kind of weird. This is the kind of stuff I'd expect a serial killer to put on the wall, but whatever. It's kind of a little bit dirty in there, but oh, oh my. This room has a bit of a Eugene floor in there, but nothing Sonny couldn't fix with a little, about a couple of days or so. Looks like there's some strange spots over here, maybe like liquid leaked in, but it's not a deal breaker. Oh, okay. All right, a little bit of debris over there, just a little bit of sweeping. You should be just fine. You just paid over this. If you got any money left for paint after you spent $828,000 on this. Okay, so it looks like they forgot to leave the water running after they killed someone and disposed of their body in the bathtub. And it looks like they pooped outside the toilet. Whoever lived here has the same problem that Oreo has, but no big deal.
See, the top half of that bathroom doesn't look too bad.
What is
right?
this?
It doesn't look too bad. Whoa.
Oh God, this
What
the bath.
happened
That's the
there?
bathroom mirror, and that's
Oh.
where the person's burned. I think what happened here is quite simple. So you see how there's a bunch of black ash around the sink area.
Uh-huh.
So somebody must have lit their hand on fire, and then they went to the sink to try to put it out. But by then, it had already disintegrated into carbon. So that maybe it was probably someone like me trying to use the oven.
Oh, jeez.
Okay. Hey, look, it's got an air conditioner. That's pretty nice. You got an air conditioner. You got a light bulb. Look, this not a natural light. You can tell this is not a grainy picture. So this light must be cranking it, and with this, because it's clearly low ISO, but it still has no grain.
Hey, wait a second. That's the same fireplace in 104 Slaby, right?
Not bad. Okay, you got a refrigerator. You got your appliances.
But what about the floor? Is there hardwood?
Well,
is there
here's the
hardwood
thing.
underneath
They
it?
weren't sure if you wanted hardwood or carpet, so they said we'll just leave it because we're not gonna make extra work for you. Why? If you don't know what type of floor you want, why are we gonna put the hardwood on when you're just gonna probably decide you want something else or concrete? Let's just leave it as is. We'll just give you the bare land, and you can decide what kind of floor you want. That's
weren't
actually very, very.
It looks very close to the natural land outside.
Look, you got look. They were drawing some graffiti on the walls over here. You got a bunch of little like symbols. That's a T. That looks like a Y over here. You got central heat. You can't be pissed at that.
I feel like the bugs live in there too.
All right.
Jeez.
Yeah, you got a little bit of exposed ceiling there. Some houses have exposed brick. Here you got exposed ceiling. Not bad. Oh, you got a window into the kitchen, Erica. So I could see you from the kitchen. So I could be recording over here, and just like in the house over here, while I'm recording, you're in the kitchen and we can talk.
I don't wanna
I
be in
could
that
see
kitchen.
right into the kitchen with you. Beautiful.
No.
Okay, the kitchen is where I really just kind of lose it. What? What? Oh my.
This is what happens when you leave the stove on.
Gee, this is like if you go back in time and we lost one of the wars that we were in and it just got bombed. Like what is that? Is that plants growing into the
Yeah,
kitchen?
it's like ivy or something.
I
Took over the sink. They really wanted water.
$828,000, Erica. 820. I honestly, I think it would be kind of fun. And the thing is, I was serious when I was looking at the places that I was looking at for the store, and I was serious when I was looking at the places, the houses, about potentially purchasing one. I feel weird emailing these people to want to look at it, to do a video inside of it when I know I don't want to buy it. but it kind of would be worth it to me to just go there and go, so you want $828,000 for this, and then have them nod and say yes, and just get video evidence of what their face looked like as they said it. Because I think that would help me a lot in negotiations if I just saw that, like, the way they were able to structure their facial expressions while explaining to me how this is worth $828,000. It could be something that my audience could learn from. But how? How?
You know they're gonna send the intern in to sell that house.
I feel so bad. Like, wow. That's it.
I'm really genuinely surprised though. How come the outside of the house looks so much better than the inside? Wouldn't the outside of the house have more wear and tear naturally than the inside? But the inside looks absolutely gutted.
No, this is a bomb went off. There's
Bomb went off.
a bomb. A
Dirt bomb.
a murder?
Okay.
A bomb? A bomb, murder. But look, you have a nice sunny street corner. And it's close to your H Mart. You love H Mart, right?
Yeah.
Well, there you go.
I don't know if I want to go home if you live in there.
I'm placing a bid.
What?
That's it for today, and as always, I hope you learned something.